Let's do it. Hey, welcome back. I hope you guys are having an awesome week. I have my much anticipated closet declutter video. I have been thinking about this for weeks now, and it's time to do it, and I'm feeling just my heart's kind of racing. There's a lot of stuff in there, so hopefully this video isn't a million years long. I am prepared. I did all of my wash yesterday, so everything is in my closet, except I am wearing this robe because I didn't want to actually have clothes on. So there's one pair of undies because I'm wearing a robe, and then some knee-high socks that I'm wearing because it's cold here. Ohio, thank you. It started snowing this week. It was 70 last week. It's so confused, the weather is. And my candle is burning. I've set the mood. And we're just gonna, jump right into this. If any of you don't know, this is my minimalist series. I'm going through room by room and getting rid of stuff and just living happier and with less, because I don't need, as you guys, if you saw my before video, I have a lot of stuff and I don't need it, and other people, it will bring them joy when it's no longer bringing me joy. My strategy is to bring everything out of my closet first and then sort it by categories. I'm gonna do grouping, which is the Konmari method. So we're gonna be keeping things that still spark joy and that I know I'm gonna get use out of it and still has a spot for me to use, and everything else has to go because, like I said, it will bring someone else joy. I'm going to be listing all of this that is in really good condition on Poshmark. Some stuff that is more basic that I don't think would sell. I'm just going to go ahead and just donate it to a church right away. Okay, enough rambling. Let's get this stuff out of my closet.
I wanna hate you, 'cause I still love you, and it's weighing on my chest. We keep our bodies tied together to ignore what's coming next. I was driving you home in the middle of the night, but I couldn't bring myself to say goodbye. I was driving you home in the middle of the night, and there's no good way, yeah, there's no good way. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. You got that something that I never
Everything is out of my closet. This is overwhelming. So this is all what was hanging up, what was on my shelves, and then stuff underneath of my clothing, which is a lot. The thing that I did not do though is I haven't emptied my dresser yet. That will be after. I have so much stuff right now on the floor that I figured I would do that afterwards.
I was driving you home in the middle of the night, and there's no good way, yeah, there's no good way. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. You got that something that I never wanna lose, yeah. It's like dancing when the song's already over, moving without getting any closer. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. I wanna feel you, really feel you, not just hold you close at night. We keep our bodies tied together to ignore what's on our minds. Yeah, I was driving you home in the middle of the night, but I couldn't bring myself to say goodbye. I was driving you home in the middle of the night, and there's no good way, yeah, there's no good way. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. You got that something that I never wanna lose, yeah. It's like dancing when the song's already over, moving without getting but I couldn't bring myself to say goodbye. I was driving you home. Even if I go, even if I stay, I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you.
I have no words. This is an English muffin.
You got that something that I never wanna lose.
Oh my gosh. Okay, on to my hanging clothes.
It's like dancing when the song's already over. Moving without getting any closer. Oh, I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. Keep chasing fire. No other way, no other way. Keep chasing fire. No other way, no other way.
To midnight, and my thoughts tick, tick like bombs in my head. Only one life, and I'm walking a tightrope like it's life or death. Down in the alley, words take over walls. Reads like a message, it's subliminal.
So this is what I am keeping and what I am getting rid of just from the one side of my closet. That looks like a lot. I'm gonna go put it in and then we're gonna tackle the other side.
I'm running through the city, all the pretty lights align in the corners of my eyes, all the faces in the rear view are gonna fade into gray. I gotta go, 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 catch that train like a postcard. I could send you a piece of the dream in my head, but the best part is when I begin living in real time instead. Down at the station, words take over walls. Reads like a message, it's subliminal.
Giveaway pile is a little bit bigger this time, which I am very excited about. So I got rid of over half of that side.
I'm running through the city, all the pretty lights align in the corners of my eyes, all the faces in the rear view are gonna fade into gray. I gotta go, 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 catch some train. Running through the city, all the pretty lights align in the corners of my eyes, all the faces in the rear view.
You know, I didn't do the best here. I have my keep pile and my giveaway pile. I got rid of a lot, you know? Like, I mean, I got rid of a solid 10 pairs, but was that enough? I don't think so. This is a journey, though. This is my first round, so I think I did pretty decent.
Gonna fade into gray. I gotta go, 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 catch that train. No one could convince me that I'm invincible. This is the beginning of chapter 1. I'm running through the city, all the pretty lights align in the corners of my eyes, all the faces in the rear view are gonna fade into gray. I gotta go, 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 catch some train.
I have all of my get rid of and donate pile, keeping some comfy sweaters. My PJs are where that red pile is. The basket is all of my like loungewear sweatshirts. I have one pair of sweatpants left. I don't wear sweatpants, but the one pair I do wear. And then I have 2 sentimental t-shirts. but I'll probably end up getting rid of those. I got rid of a lot, which I didn't think that would be possible, but I can. And then my slippers I'm switching out because the ones I currently have are disgusting. These are the bralettes I'm keeping, and that's basically all I wear. These are the sports bras I'm keeping, and then I'm going to get rid of all of these sports bras, and then all of these bralettes, and then inserts that I don't need anymore. And that was the first drawer.
Chasing the sun into the night, beautiful and burning. We are wild and wonderful.
It doesn't look like I got rid of much here, but I wear a lot of this all the time, and I did just declutter it and got rid of a ton of shirts. So these are my tank tops. These I'm just keeping 1, 2, 4 long sleeve tees. These, it's a set. It goes with a tank top that goes underneath, and then like 4 t-shirts, and then getting rid of a few. I didn't do that well, but I didn't think I would, just because I already cleansed it out a couple weeks ago.
You see me through the filtered lens, fading the edges of my flaws, reminder of my innocence before it got lost so deep in the forest of our youth. We carved our names upon a tree inside a heart that spoke the truth.
So these are my leggings. I have 2 pairs of denim shorts. I have probably like 5 pairs of jeans. 3 are black. I think I might wear the top pair still. 3 pairs of work pants. 3 like comfy loungewear shorts. 2 pairs of running shorts. I can probably get that down to 1, but at the moment I go through 2 days of cardio, so I kind of need them to not have to do wash more. And then I'm getting rid of all of those right here, which isn't a lot, but a lot more than was. Okay, this is my closet. I'll take you in. So I just have my hats there, my comfy sweaters. I have 4 of them. I'm gonna try to get it down. All of my purses, and then my tennis bag is in my travel bag. I have my tank tops, short sleeve tees, long sleeve tees, sweaters. I can still get that down more, but as you can see, spacing wise, it was all just bunched together. Now it's not. And then I'll show you this side before I get into my dresser. I have all of my PJs right here. I have just a photo from when I was younger. All of my bed linens and sheets, and then I kept 2 blankets, and I love those 2, so I think those were the best ones to keep. And then my bras are just right there. I have some work skirts and then 1 casual skirt. Actually, a few of them I can wear casually too. My dresses are all just in this section. I got rid of a ton of dresses. So I have my shorter ones in the front and like longer, and then like longer sleeves in the back here. And then I have 2 vests that I kept out of them. And then some like, this is just like a track jacket. A couple of sweaters that are more like heavier. So I put them in the coat section. I love this white coat, trench coat, and then a few more casual ones. And I think I'm going to actually try to get rid of a couple more, but it takes a little time. This is what I have right now. And then dresser, I don't have anything on top of it. It looks really bare, but that's fine with me. I have all my sports bras and all my bralettes, and then like inserts in here. I have, ooh, and you guys will like this. This is my workout drawer. So I have workout leggings and then workout tops. So I fit it all into one drawer, which has never happened in my entire life. This is my just like casual, I have a few sweaters in here drawer, and like long sleeves, and then like short sleeves and under tank tops, I guess what you call them, stuff you wear underneath those shirts that are semi-sheer. This is my 2 denim shorts, my running shorts, and a few comfy like I guess, PJ shorts, but I just wear them around the house, loungewear. And then my black leggings. And then I have 3 pairs of jeans, like denim color, 3 pairs of black denim. I'm gonna try to still get pair 1 down. And then, because one of them's gray, and 3 pairs of work pants, and I need those, so I think I'm good with just those. And then underneath I have a pillow, which I need to, I'm struggling because I really love my pillow, but I need to get a new one, and I already got a new one. I just need to replace it. I'm just struggling with, like, because it still brings me joy. My slippers, which I'm gonna replace, like, after this video. And then I have undies and socks, and then, like, more like lingerie type stuff in the bottom. And then down here I have just my like comfy casual sweaters that I'll wear daily with like my black leggings. This is my curtain, don't mind it. I just needed light to come in, so I twisted it up. This is all the stuff I'm gonna go through to see whether it's worth donating, trashing, or selling on Poshmark, so that's gonna be a good week or so to go through and list. All of my plastic hangers, I have a million, and those I'm gonna try to recycle or like donate. And then I have, this is all stuff that's either gonna be donated, like those blankets, like that's a really nice blanket, and so is that one. Some of it needs to be trashed. There's the backpack, there's stuff in there. And then I do have some first aid that I'm gonna keep, but the rest is just like trash. That was a long process. I know I sped it up for you guys and you have no idea how long it was, but I've been doing this for 4 hours. But I am done and my heart's still racing, but I think it's just because I've been just like moving. Anyways, this, like you guys saw, is everything I'm giving away. I feel like I made a lot of progress. Keep in mind, this was my first like whole closet to cleanse, so I mean, it was hard. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to like getting rid of this much stuff, and it's needed, and it could have been better. I can for sure say that. So some of you watching are like, girl, you are not minimalistic. You have so much stuff still. Okay, yes, I still have a lot of stuff, but, and this was never the end. Like, this was always gonna be a thing where I have to just keep on going and declutter as I go, but this is the initial start and you have to start somewhere. So if any of you are wanting to start this process with me, I definitely encourage you guys to do it. No, it's not going to be one and done. Some people may be like that. Some people may be like, I can just get rid of everything right now and have 5 items and I'll be fine. And I really respect you guys, but that was never gonna be me. If any of you are wanting clothing from me, be on the lookout for Poshmark. I'll have my link down below. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of this stuff on there. I'm also gonna be donating a lot of it, so it just depends on what I think is worth selling and what's would be better just to like give it away. So I'm gonna take it to a local church that just gives everything away for free, so people don't have to spend money on it. So then I know like it's probably going to a really good home, someone that actually needs it, because they can't afford to spend money. So I'm excited about that. Leave me in the comments below if you have any tips for anyone that is going to be going through this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. I make videos all the time, and then you can go with me on my journey to the other rooms, which I have a feeling is going to get a lot harder because that was just a small room. Okay, I gotta go. I love you guys very, very much. Thank you for sticking with me till the end. I have no idea how long this video is, but I have a feeling it's very long. Okay, see ya. Bye.